Hello children! How's it going? I hope you're finding the abacus interesting. Now, in this session, we shall learn how to draw the beads. Ray asks that didn't we practice this in our first session of understanding the placing of numbers on abacus? Yes, we did. Though the guidelines remain the same, there are a few new things which we shall learn in this session. So, are you ready? Okay. Now, before beginning, what shall we do, children? Very good, Ruby. We shall revise. The value of each lower bead is 1. The value of the upper bead is 5. The horizontal line is our counting bar. The center point would be on the horizontal bar. The vertical line, which has the center point, is our units rod. That's good. Now, let's move forward. Okay, children. Now draw 15 patterns of empty rods in your notebook. You can draw them in a vertical or a horizontal arrangement. You may now pause the video and take your time to draw these patterns. Done? Okay. Now, for the first 10 patterns, put a number underneath it. Start from 0 and go on till 9, just as shown here. For the number 0, do we draw any beads? No, we won't. Why? That is correct, Ray, because 0 has no value. For number 1, we will draw only one lower bead. Remember, children, the bead should clearly touch the center point. Did you get it? Okay. Children, there's no need to fully color the bead that you draw on the units rod. The bead can be left uncolored. Coloring the beads will take a longer time, and therefore we shall not color the beads. Okay, children? Very good then. Let's move on to the next number. For 2, draw 2 beads below the center point. One bead shall touch the center point, and the other shall touch the preceding bead like this. For number 3, we will draw 3 lower beads. And for number 4, we shall draw 4 lower beads. Perfect. Moving on, Ray, can you tell us how many beads will we draw for the number 5? We will draw only the upper bead. Remember, the value of each upper bead is 5. Okay, children, now complete drawing the beads for all the numbers from 0 to 5. We will take up learning the next set of numbers in our next session.